Hey, how's it going everybody? I hope you all are having a great day so far. This is a special episode for me because it's not often I catch a nice sized moo in the shallows. Typically, you want to hide or dive bomb these fish, but without giving away too many tricks, it helps to be by yourself, do very slow movements, and just try to get their attention without drawing suspicion. Always save the head and bones. Very simply, I'm cutting boneless, skinless chunks to shallow fry in some olive oil. So I'm just going to lightly season with some salt and black pepper. And Creole seasoning because it's good. Hey, you can use Old Bay or whatever's your favorite spice. Next, get a skillet on medium heat, add your cuts. We're just going to cook the meat through, so when it's no longer pink, starts to turn white, it's pretty much done. You can take it off and set it aside for now. Okay, in the same pan, we're going to saute some chopped garlic and shallot just for a minute until they turn golden. And then you can add your chopped mushrooms. After a few minutes, add a splash of white wine and let that simmer for 5 minutes. While that's happening, you can cook pasta or rice. I had linguine, so that's what's on the menu. To build the sauce, it's Tabasco, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, and around 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire, parsley flakes, and a couple heaping tablespoons of sour cream. Keep tasting until your flavors are to your liking. You can also add a pinch of starch to thicken it up. Just know that you'll have to cook that down for several minutes if you thicken it. Just a little bit of black pepper and stir it slowly. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. and I'll see you all next dive.